Hey there, YouTubes. You know who it is. It's your old pal, Dr. Straightedge, coming at you. So right now, I'm working on one of my next projects, and I saw that your teacher, Mr. Murphy, is really slacking on explaining some of this binomial stuff. So I thought I would just interject here, and I would just help you to see it a little clearer, okay? Why don't you come along for a ride with Dr. Straightedge? Here we go. Now, I know you were learning about FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last, okay? So let's take a look at the first one right here. So this first one, what we're gonna do is the first. That means the first here and the first here. So we have x times negative 8x. So then we get negative 8 times 1, which is negative 8. And we have an x times an x. Now when we multiply these variables, that means we're actually going to add the numbers together. So this is a 1, right? A little 1. And this is a little 1. Don't worry about that little 1 right there. It's right there. Now we're adding them together, so that's going to be x squared. Then we have x times 8 over here. That's the outer for FOIL. That's outer. So we're saying x times 8, so that's going to be positive 8x plus 8x. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to do our inner in FOIL. That's the I, or inside. And the inside's going to say 6 times negative 8, and that is negative 48. And there's also an x right there. We're just carrying that little baby x with us right there. Finally, we do a 6 times 8, finally right there. And that's going to be a 48. Now, are we done? Oh, you bet your boots we're not done yet. Now what we need to do is we need to consolidate. And we're going to add our like terms together. So our like terms, first of all, this 8x squared, why can't we just combine all these little bad boys? No. When we are adding or subtracting these variables, you need to have like terms in order to combine. So there's no other x squared. Even though there's other x's, it has to be combining with an x squared. We do have an 8x here, it's positive. We have a negative 48x right there. So let's combine those together. So 8 minus 48 is going to give us negative 40. Now, we're adding or subtracting. It means we're just combining like terms. This is not going to be an x squared. This is just going to be x. These are the like terms. Now this 48 right here, we don't have anything to combine it with, so we just carry this bad boy down. Plus 48. And this negative 8x squared, we're just carrying that down too. Negative 8x squared. Our final answer here is going to be negative 8x squared minus 40x plus 48. That's it. I'll do another one in just a minute.